Chennai's residential realty market has seen steady growth over the last few years, thanks largely to the fast emerging areas like Old Mahabalipuram Road or OMR. With improving infrastructure and the expansion of IT companies in this area, OMR is already witnessing high real estate activity. Looking to meet growing demands for world-class residential spaces in OMR, Chennai-based Radiance Realty is unveiling two key projects, Mandarin and Shine, in this area. Managing Director of Radiance Realty, Varun Manian, says OMR is fast emerging as the new central business district of New Chennai.
Like your BKC in Bandra Kurla complex in Bombay, our CBD is OMR. And OMR is a big expanse, I know. So our CBD would start somewhere from Tidal Park, Madhya Kailash, and go up to Sholing Nallur today. And even beyond that now, with Siruseri IT Park coming up in a big way. So this is the CBD. So I think there's no escaping OMR. Residential has to grow over here, and the entire city, which is growing, will grow first this way. I think 70–80% of the growth is going to be focused on OMR. The balanced growth will be spread across the other parts of Chennai. But OMR is definitely going to be the big growth spot.
Ideally located on the 200 feet Pallavaram Thoraipakkam Road in OMR, Radiance Realty's Mandarin is a premium residential enclave set in 3.48 acres. The project will see 270 apartments ranging between 1,575 square feet and 2,375 square feet. It will also house 90 studio apartments. Some of the world-class amenities on offer include a fully equipped gym, convenience store, swimming pool, indoor games room, yoga room, children's play area and a library room. Mandarin is expected to be complete by December 2015. Further down on OMR, away from the hustle bustle, is Radiance Realty's Shine. Located in Karipattur in proximity to the IT parks, Shine boasts of 336 apartments available in options of 2 BHK, 2 BHK plus study and 3 BHK. These range between 1,041 square feet and 1,523 square feet. Studio apartments are also on offer between 458 square feet to 501 square feet. Modern amenities are also on offer like clubhouse with gym, swimming pool, play area and a multi-purpose hall.
Shine and Mandarin are very different. So I would call Mandarin within city limits property because we are in the corporation limits. And my take is that on OMR, anything before Sholing Nallur will sell immediately, easily, even if you charge a premium is going to go. After Sholing Nallur, where Shine is and those areas, there is a lot of competition, there is some stock. Hence, we've priced Shine very competitively. We launched at 3,399. We are at 100 rupees above now. We've done nearly 40% of sales, and the project is going well.
Radiance Realty, formerly known as NAPC Properties, has fast emerged as one of the most recognized and credible builders in Chennai. Their objective is to create residential spaces offering affordable luxury for the new age home buyer. This by using cost-effective and cutting-edge technology and maintaining on-time delivery.
We're very early stages for Radiance, so I'll say the vision and mission is one and the same right now. I can't differentiate the two. But for us, I think we are a young and trendy company. We really want to cater to the young Indian. And for us, our vision and mission today is to provide global luxury to him at an affordable price. That's exactly what we want to do. We want to make sure that he's happy at the end of the day with what he has.
Radiance Realty is currently looking to strengthen its foothold in Chennai through new joint ventures and leveraging existing land banks. They will continue to increase their presence primarily in the OMR area and are also planning to expand into new cities including Coimbatore and Kunur.